Okay guys, this is Ford 1.0 ecoboost. What I want to do is to do the timing, but I'm gonna use the timing kit. But there are other guys who gonna say, "I know we can do it without the timing kit." That's fine. It's not a problem as long the car gonna start and doesn't show you light, doesn't give you any error codes. That's fine. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you from the crankshaft. We want to lock the crankshaft first. How do we lock our crankshaft? We put the pin here. This pin here, which you put on your side, is the one which determines the TDC, the first TDC, the first piston. So you put this pin here. Then after you put this pin here, it's gonna determine the TDC. Then here I'm gonna lock the flywheel. The reason for me to lock the flywheel using this locker is when you are tightening the pulley, the main pulley here, your force must not come to the pin. The crankshaft must be held tightly in one position using the flywheel, not using the pin. This pin is only to determine the TDC, but not to lock when you are tightening this pulley. So from there, we're gonna lock the front pulley, the belt pulley. But remember, this pulley is the one which has got a crank sensor readings. So since it has got crank sensor readings, we use the pin. This pin is going to go in. There is a hole inside the timing cover. So this pin must go straight in like this, so that by the time we are going to lock the main pulley, the main bolt is not going to change the position. It's not going to shift the position. Then I want to talk about this one, this pin. This pin, it only works on automatics, because this engine is coming from an automatic engine. So it has got weight balancer at the bottom. So this pin is to lock the weight balancer inside, because it should be timed also. But if it is a manual one, you don't use the balancer weight pin. So we are done on the crankshaft. So now what we are going to do, we are going to talk about the camshafts. We've got exhaust cam, we've got exhaust cam, we've got inlet cam. So these camshafts, what you do, you put these lockers. These positions are the one which position the camshaft in position, and also this one. But at the same time, we got these gears. These gears are VVTi gears, so they also need to be timed. You use the locker and this locker, and if you check here on top of this pin, there's this black pin. It should align with the center tip. Also this side, it should align with the center tip. As long you do like this, you are not going to get any error code on this vehicle. That's how you do it. Once you lock like this, you lock this one, you lock this one, then you can tighten the bolt, the camshaft bolts, and also the crankshaft bolt. Then you know you are done. Everything is in position. That's how. Yes, you can do it without the timing too. It's fine. As long the vehicle can start and move, that is not a problem. But as I personally, I use the timing too. Always when I do this thing, I use the timing too. So thank you guys.